Well, good morning. It is sunrise, March 2nd, and we are getting ready to head out to Middle Creek, Lancaster County. But I thought we would just take some time and show you some sunrise shots. It is cold today. It's about 19 degrees right now. And here's little Tia. She's waking up right now. I only have her for a couple more weeks and then she goes back with my daughter who's returning from Florida. So she's just waking up this morning too. I just love her. I'm sure going to miss her when she goes back with my daughter, but luckily my daughter's close by. So here we are, sunrise in Lancaster County, and I just thought we would just stop by and just look at some of the beautiful farms on our way to Middle Creek this morning. Isn't this beautiful? I love sunrise in Lancaster County. And I'm sure you've noticed there's no snow on the ground, or very little anyway. Hooray! We are supposed to get one more snow and ice storm overnight tonight, and then that should be it for the year. So peaceful and still. There's the cows just waking up. Everybody's just quietly waking up. And here are some Lancaster County sunrise views. We're up here at Sunnycrest, and you can just see so many farms from up here. It's a beautiful spot to look at sunrise. I feel like you can almost see to Shady Maple from this vantage point, especially when it's nice and clear in this early morning light. That was so pretty up top there. So we're on our way to Middle Creek, but I thought we would first stop and just check out Stoudtburg Village at sunrise because we're going to pass right by there. And I've never been here at sunrise, and it's so calm and quiet. I mean, it's always pretty quiet here, but it's like super duper quiet. Just the birds. And the sun is starting to peek out here just a little bit. And the pond is still frozen, but it won't be for long. Next week, it's supposed to get almost to 70, I think. I even hear red-winged blackbirds. That's definitely a sign of spring. Well, that was just great. I'm so glad we stopped there. Just what a beautiful morning, right? Now we're in northern Lancaster County, and the tractors are out in full force because we are supposed to get some, snow and ice. So they're spreading manure, before the weather comes. And isn't this beautiful too? Up here in northern Lancaster County, the sun's hitting all the farms and silos. So we're actually headed to Middle Creek to see the Tundra swan and snow geese migration. However, we saw on the live cam, that most of the birds, it looks like, have left because of this cold snap. Like over the last couple days, it's been warm, but now it's freezing cold again. So we'll just stop here anyway and see what kind of birds are here. It's always pretty to visit Middle Creek anyway. So here we are at the Willow Point Trailhead in Middle Creek. And Middle Creek is in Lancaster counties and Lebanon counties. So let's check out who's here, or actually who's not here, like the snow geese. But this right in front of us, that's a bald eagle, and he's eating a bird. Yeah, so that's a bald eagle right there, which is actually really cool. And there's tons of tundra swans. I'm not sure if you can hear them, but they're beautiful.
closest to shore. Sometimes small. Yeah.
There's some Canadian geese in the field, but you know what? I don't regret coming here. I'm glad we heard and the swans, they were so beautiful, and it was neat to see the bald eagle there. So it's always beautiful to come to Middle Creek and spend some time in nature. So I know there's supposed to be thousands and thousands and thousands of snow geese this weekend because it's so warm, but or it's going to be so warm, but I'm not going to be able to make it back here. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful sunrise morning in Lancaster County, just enjoying some nature and beautiful scenery. So whatever you're doing today, have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one, everyone. This is Lancaster traffic jam here. Here comes another one. More manure being spread everywhere. These guys must know each other. They're waving to each other. That's pretty cool. Okay, everybody, see you later.